Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Jennifer Chiotti and I'm the lead criminal justice faculty for Lone Star College-Kingwood. I know in these uncertain times, this is a bit of a challenge to look and see about where to enroll for your future academic endeavors. But I just wanted to take some time and explain how criminal justice may be the perfect fit for you. And even though it may not be what you initially thought you'd go into, studying criminal justice has secondary benefits. For those of you looking into a field in law enforcement or other criminal justice related fields, Lone Star College-Kingwood offers a full criminal justice field of study degree. We offer it both face-to-face and online, which means no matter which mode of delivery you want, whether classroom or online, you can get an associate's degree with a field of study in criminal justice from us. We have a master schedule that works on rotation, which means every class is offered face-to-face one semester and online the next. So if you are a traditional student and you love the classroom experience, you can still get your field of study degree in 2 years, just like the online students can. Basically, what you have to do is wait for the next class in your rotation to come up in your mode of delivery. The secondary benefits to a criminal justice class is that it is fully qualified in the core curriculum as your social science or behavioral science class that is required, which means 2 of our classes, both Criminal Justice 1301, Intro to Criminal Justice, and Criminal Justice 1307, Crime in America, qualify as your social and behavioral science requirement. So if you're someone who enjoys law and order, but you're not really sure if criminal justice is right for you, you can still take a criminal justice class and have it not be a waste. Basically, you can take our intro class, 1301, study about police, courts, and corrections, be really engaged in the material. It's something that you like, but you want to be an engineer. Okay, that class qualifies as your social and behavioral science class that you were required to take anyways. So our classes basically offer an opportunity for you to have some fun, as well as it go to whatever degree you're teaching. For those of you who are maybe on the fence as to whether or not criminal justice is right for you, please remember that criminal justice is not just law enforcement. It's not about just becoming a police officer. We have opportunities in corrections, in probation, parole, both for adults and juveniles, victim advocacy. I have a lot of students that want to work in forensics, and criminal justice is a great second major or minor for those students. I always encourage my students who want to work in forensics to get a biology or chemistry degree. So criminal justice is a great fit for almost every student. It's super fun. We have great classes, great discussions. And for those of you who like to watch a lot of crime dramas, why not take a class that you're really interested in? And even though you may not make a career out of it, it goes to your degree. So again, my name is Dr. Jennifer Chiotti. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me. My email is jennifer.chiotti@LoneStar.edu, and I look forward to seeing you soon.
Be sure to follow us on social media at Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Like this video, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button to be notified about our latest content.